What's going on, YouTube? It's been a minute. Been actually pretty busy lately, just doing family stuff and everything else. I'm sure everyone understands that. But I am over at Dave's today, and I wanted to show you guys what he's been doing so far. So while I've been away, Dave went ahead and put in the floor panels here. He got everything welded up, and it's looking pretty good. I'm not sure what our plan is for today. We just took the doors off, as you can see. Both doors are gone, but I think he's planning on patching up the other floor here. There's just a couple of holes there. But I just wanted to show you guys what we're doing and, have probably a shorter video instead of an hour and something long. So I might not be on the phone too much today. Plus, me and Dave are just kind of shooting the shit and relaxing while we're doing this stuff. But stay tuned. I'll show you what we're doing when we get there. All right, so we are completing the tip-over jig here, or at least getting the front part done here. Dave just drilled out the holes on the board here, and now he's doing a test fit. So we should be good to go here soon, at least to attach. An old fuel can that was leaking. Dave used it to help patch some of the stuff in here. Now that I'm standing, I can get you guys in here for a better look at some of the stuff here. Take a look at some of the welds. Now, by all means, Dave isn't a perfect welder here. But, I mean, you're self-taught, so by the end of this, he's going to be a professional welder. I'll show you everything. Well, I got a second. Hasn't really done much to the back of the car or anything. That's just kind of the same of where we left it. I don't feel like I gave you guys really a walk around tour last time of the Camaro. Ooh. Almost lost my balance there. And the original engine. Wow. All right. See you in a minute. Oop. See you in a second. All right. So here we are. Davis now connecting some plywood here. He went out and cut this. I didn't show it because I was lazy. I also realized I didn't have something connected to the phone, so now we're actually going through the microphones. Good. It's been that long that I forgot that it needed it. This is just the other part of the tip-out jig. So like I said, we have the one on the back. This is the one that's going on the front. And then Dave went and cut the rounded edge. And I believe we're cutting the other side of that eventually too, right? Or is it just the one side?
You need to roll all the way over?
Never mind. Okay, so it's perfectly fine.
I suppose we could.
No, because when you did the full circle, that's why I was like, do we need to cut the other side of that? I was like, I don't know. Dave knows.
I know. It's kind of confusing. I'm sorry.
I was like, Dave knows what he's doing. I'm not going to question that.
I picked the better half circle. The other one was kind of shanksy. Gotcha.
Okay. That is definitely fair. And, so anyway, to save us connecting it, and we went and had lunch after Dave cut it, so we're back from that.
Son of a bitch.
And I had realized while we were putting the mics away, I was like, oh right, that was supposed to be connected to the phone to actually pick up from the mics. So sorry about that. Well, yeah. So this is just where we're at. We're we're getting close to fit it up to the bumper. But all right, be back in a few. All right, so here we go now. Dave's been getting the extra braces in here. It's much like the other one that we did for the back bumper. It's just going a little bit quicker, mainly because I'm not recording or anything. But I already talked about those holes. Those are for the front support, or obviously that's where it's going instead of the bumper. But Dave has all this stuff connected. He's drilled in. Now we just got to take the other piece of plywood there, set it on top of here, screw it all down, and then we're going to attach it up to the car. Just wanted to give you a quick update, show you where we were at in the process, and just stay tuned, and now I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, and here we have it, guys. Dave is just currently snugging it down, making sure it's good to go. We only have 2 bolts in at the moment. He'll probably put the other 2 bolts off screen. As well, we'll have to find them. But here we go. No, it's basically exactly like the back side. Like when we attached it, we just
But easier.
a lot easier. Mainly because we didn't have to fight the frickin' bumper like we did the last time. But plus, I mean, these are going to be a heck of a lot easier to put stuff on since it's so out so far. But there you go. There's a short little update of everything. Still showing that we're working on the car. Just, life gets in the way. But there we go. That's it for now. Stay tuned, and we'll show you more progress along the way. Have a good one.